Hi guys!
I am Neil.
And I am Gian. I am Kurt.
I'm Joyce.
And I am John.
And today, we're going to interview
Business owners
hospitality workers.
and travelers.
So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
But wait!
What is the purpose of interviewing them?
Yeah, true.
Well, the purpose of this is to know the different experience of people that are engaged in hospitality industry.
Oh, okay. Also, I think we will be able to know their perspective when it comes to hospitality industry.
That's right. So, let us begin in.
3, 2, 1.
Our first interviewing for today is an owner of a certain business that is located in Medina. He owns Theology, which is a booming milk shop. He is Joseph Lariosa.
Good afternoon, Sir Josh. What is your experience in the hospitality industry?
So, madami-dami na rin ang experience ko about hospitality. Like, kung paano mo alagaan yung customer mo, kung paano mo bibigyan ng good service yung customer mo. Ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon po ako ng maliit na negosyo. So, yung mga experience ko doon, isa din yun sa dahilan kung bakit marami pa akong natutunan sa mga at ibang ugali ng mga customer na dapat marunong kang gumagay, marunong kang sumakay sa kanilang mga gusto.
Okay, sir.
What do you think are your contributions in the hospitality industry?
Siguro po yung pagbibigay ng tamang serbisyo sa mga customer, pagbibigay ng quality at masarap na produkto na binabalikan po ng mga ilang taga Medina kundi sa ibang lugar.
Our second interviewee for today is the girlfriend of Sir Joseph. She is a traveler that has stepped among many lands throughout the Philippines. She is Angela Garcia.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Nalang mga tanan niyo. As a traveler, what is your experience in the tourism industry?
Experience na ako sa tourism industry. Since gikan lang ko resort, travel dito, siya naman yun sa traveler, nag-adto na sa Surigao, sa Davao, and then, siya po siya kay ang mga tao dito, friendly po, bisan dili mo kaila, i-respect po kanila. So, nada viewed as overall
So, what do you think are your contributions in the tourism industry as a traveler?
Siguro as a contribution, since naka-add kami sa mga places, i-post na mo siya sa social media, promote natin siya as a tourism, then sahay, mag-invite po ng mga friends para maka-add ko dito.
Our third and last interview for today is a certified TESA instructor. She teaches in Noog City Colleges Incorporated. She is Charlotte Lacana.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So I have some question for you. What is your experience in tourism industry?
Well, I have something to share with you about the memorable moments when I touching the food and beverage services NC2. Why it is memorable to me? Because I enjoyed someone who acquired the skill of food and beverage services NC2 in our institution.
For you, ma'am, what is your contribution in tourism industry?
Well, my contribution is the skills that would acquired by the students. That's all.